Hello, I'm Graham from Boatshed Midi Canals. On board a President 57 motor yacht. Just taking a walk around the aft deck past the sliding double opening doors that lead into that enormous saloon, and up the ladder access to an enormous flybridge. Seating port and starboard. Full controls up here. Let's have a look down onto your foredeck and the sunbeds. Let's have a look aft. More seating position, sorry, and more sunbathing position. Hot and cold shower up here, hot and cold shower on the front deck, and of course down on the aft terrace that we've just come up from. And this spiral staircase, internal access from the flybridge. Now, if you'd like any more information about this President 57, came out of the Taiwan yard in 1987, I'd like to hear from you. I'm Graham of Boatshed Midi Canals.